What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac, and in this video we are going to be breaking down to you all a GBPUSD trade that I took live with my mentorship students. So if you're a mentorship student and you trade live with me, right, you were able to take advantage of this trade right along with me and make 7.2 R, okay, and if you're risking 1% of your account per trade, 7.2% return on investment simply by just doing exactly what I do on our New York live trading sessions. Now, for those of you that decided to hold this trade, okay, this trade easily produced us 20 R, which I'm going to show you guys. I held a small piece of my overall trading volume in order to hit this higher time frame target. And I'm going to show you guys the MT4 chart. I'm going to show you guys the trading view chart. We're going to break it all down. Now, before we actually get into it, if you are not a part of the YouTube family, feel free to join. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video, and feel free to leave a like on this video if you enjoy as well. Without further ado, let's get right into the breakdown. I'll catch you guys on the charts. All right, so in this small clip, I'm essentially going to be breaking down. Let me go ahead and mute this and press play. So essentially, I'm taking this trade live with my students. I'm telling them where to set their stop loss, where to set their take profit. Essentially, right now, I'm just giving a little bit of commentary. As you guys can see, this was June 1st, right? And New York session has already started, denoted by this blue background right here that you guys see on the charts. And essentially, we start moving to the downside, as you guys can see, after taking this entry live with my students. Now let's go ahead and hop on the charts. Let's see what this trade actually produced. But before we do that, I know you guys want to see the MetaTrader 4 screenshot. I've gotten a lot of questions about, Matt, can you start to show your MetaTrader 4 screenshots so we can see, you know, where you entered the market on your server versus the TradingView server. So now let's go ahead and pull that up. I'm going to show you guys really quickly. All right, so this is my MetaTrader 4 screenshot. Now, as you guys can see, the position size is a 2.5, right? So I closed 80% of my position when we hit our 7.27% profit target for the day trade, which was right here within this area. That's where I closed 80% of my profit. And then I left 20% running in order to hit these higher time frame targets. So when I took this screenshot, we were up around 20 R. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys were able to see this trade posted on Instagram. Literally, when we were up here, I posted it. Then when we were here, I posted it. And then when I closed the trade completely, which is this screenshot here, I also posted it for you guys. Now that you guys see the MetaTrader 4, now that you guys see the beforehand, let's get into the after, and let's also get into the charts and see what was actually going through my head while I was live trading with my mentorship students. So first, we're going to start off on the M15 time frame, and we're going to discuss what was going through my head. What was I telling my students? Why was I expecting the things that I was expecting? Things like that, right? So if we're looking at this region here, we can easily see that we have some type of supply chain, right? We can see that we have a mitigation of this supply here. We can see that we have a previous mitigation of this supply here. And we can see that we had a break of structure to the downside here, and before New York session started, we had this BOS, this break of structure to the downside, and then price started to move to the upside. So essentially, I told my students we're going to be looking for this supply chain here to be tapped into and respected, right? Now, if you guys are having difficulty understanding what to look for within the market, if you're having difficulty figuring out how to day trade, how to go about day trading, if you need a step-by-step process, join the mentorship program. The links are all going to be in the description down below. And if you're curious about what it is that you're going to gain from the mentorship program, feel free to reach out to me. Not only do you gain access to my courses, right? You also gain access to live trading, you gain access to free mentorship sessions throughout the week, and you gain access to a major discount for 1 hour one-on-one sessions with your boy Mac, where we cover any and every question that you have until you gain a complete understanding of those questions that you brought to the table, right? So being a part of the mentorship program is very, very important for those traders who need a little bit of guidance and a little bit of assistance. Remember, guys, knowledge and wisdom has no age. It doesn't matter how old you are. I know traders that are 60, and I know traders that are 16, literally, right? So if you're a trader out there and you're struggling, contact me because I have you covered. These trades you guys see day to day, over and over and over again. You guys see the before and after. You guys see me call them out live. You guys see me take the trades. It's very simple, and it's literally the same process every single day. So we see that price trades back into this region here, and that's where we went on the M1 time frame to look for a possible entry opportunity, right? Now, I know we're only looking at the M15, but this was actually a trade based on the higher time frame as well. Those of you that are a part of the Mac trading community, right? For those of you who receive my daily outlooks, you guys know that I was expecting bearish momentum based on the analysis that I dropped on you guys within the trading community itself, and we were expecting this low here to be liquidated. So we were already bearish based off the higher time frame and our higher time frame confluences. So on the lower time frame, we're just essentially looking for continuation moves, right? So within this region here, we see that price trades back into this area, and let's actually go to the M1 time frame and let's check this out and let's see what's actually going on. All right, so now that we're on the M1 time frame, we can see that essentially price is creating this uptrend internal structure here, right? Essentially, we're creating higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, tested highs, still a higher low. Then we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high here, right? Then after this higher high, now we have our first lower low. So based on that, we should understand that price is possibly transitioning from this substructure to possibly minor structure that could break higher time frame swing structure. Now, if you don't understand what I just said, no worries. The mentorship program is going to completely clear that up, especially once you guys become a mentorship student, you will gain access to my trading courses. There are 3 trading courses, right? And a part of the mentorship program, we allow you to master, within your first month, we allow you to master the first course. Second month, the focus is going to be on the second course, and then your third month of mentorship, the focus is going to be on the advanced third course, right? But just utilizing everything that mentorship has to offer will allow you to become a funded trader by your 4th month of trading, right? So even if you know nothing about trading, or even if you do know something about trading, but you currently use another style, it's only going to take you about 3 months of being a part of the mentorship program in order to utilize and take advantage of this information. So we can see here that we have the sweep of liquidity with this nice move to the upside. We have instigated equal highs here. We see that price mitigates this higher time frame supply region that we discussed on the M15 time frame, and then price pushes to the downside. But before we push to the downside and take out this low, we have some type of interaction, right? We can see that price interacts with this demand. Price pushes to the upside a little bit, supply comes into the market with this inside bar, and then we take out this demand with whatever supply came into the market here. Our entry, as you guys saw, was right here within this area. Let's move this over just a little bit. As you guys know, if you move your so here we can see that price taps us in right here. I actually took my entry a little late. I wasn't able to catch it right along with students. As you guys can see from the MetaTrader 4 screenshot, it's off by just a few pips, and that is literally because when I called out this trade to students, they were able to take it, but I was still answering questions, trying to set my order, trying to correct my lot size and things like that, which it comes with the territory of live trading with students. You know, sometimes I'll tell you guys, go ahead and enter, and you guys will be able to enter, but then I'm still fumbling with my phone from answering questions and things like that. But it's all worth it as long as you guys are able to gain some value from the live trading sessions. We're going to keep them up if you're a part of the mentorship program. So we can see here, my first target was set right down here around 7.27%, and this was our day trading target. We can see that that was hit within the first, within the first 35 minutes. This target was hit. Absolutely beautiful. That is 72% of an FTMO account challenge, or any funded challenge for that matter, completed within 35 minutes. Absolutely phenomenal, right? Now, if we look on the higher time frame, all right, we can see that price pushes down a little bit more. All right, let's go ahead and play this out. But I actually took my profit at the next demand zone, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second. All right, so let's pause that. Right down here within this area. Right, so right down here within this area, that was around 22.27%, and this is where I closed the majority of the runner that you guys saw in the MetaTrader 4 screenshot, right? Or excuse me, all of the trade. So down here within this region, this is where I closed 100% of my volume, closed out the runner that you guys saw in the MetaTrader 4 screenshot. It was very, very straightforward. This is a very simple trade, and we take these trades literally all week a part of the mentorship program. So if you're not a part of the mentorship program, but you're looking for a trading academy, you're looking for a trading home, you're looking for a mentor that is going to walk you down the aisle, show you exactly how to take advantage of the markets, and provide you with value throughout the week, such as live trading, such as free mentorship group sessions, as well as one-on-one sessions, feel free to click the link in the description. Check out Mac Trading Academy. Join us. We would love to have you aboard. And also, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like as well, because I mean, it's 22.27%. And you guys saw the MetaTrader 4 screenshot. Absolutely beautiful. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because I post these charts literally every single day that I take a trade. So feel free, whether it's a win or a loss, I post it so you guys can keep up with me. All right. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.